Okay, welcome back. What we're going to do now is we're going to do a quick walkthrough to make sure that we've got Python installed to do some of the exercises that we've got coming up. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to type in here Python download, and that's going to give us the Python website. And what we find here is it's recognised the fact that mine's a Windows machine, so it's given me the option here, the latest version that is available. If you're on a Mac, you should pick up the fact that you've got a Mac machine and it'll offer you the latest version on the Mac. So what we're going to do here now is we're going to hit that, and we are going to download the file, and you can see it's not a particularly big file. It's already loaded it at the bottom here. All I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on that and open it up. It's a pretty standard installation. What I always tend to do is I always add the version to path as well. And then I'm going to install now. It's going to ask us if we want to allow it to have permission to the machine, which we're giving it. Okay, it's going to run through the installation process. I'm just going to pause the recording here for the moment while it does its install. Okay, so that was successful. What we're going to do now is we're going to close that, and we're just going to have a quick look to see. We should see that we've got. Okay, there's a new one of Python 3.8, and I can click on the idle one, and it'll bring up our shell. And we know that we've got our configuration options on here if we want to configure the IDE, so if we want to change the font and the size, which we can change in there. And we know that if we want to go to a new file, we just open up the new file, and we know that we're not in interactive mode anymore. We can actually save it and run that program. Okay, so that's our installation of the latest version of Python.